can like choose your identity because I tried today, and now I feel kind of less like me, and I mean I'm not exactly over the moon about being me in the first place, but now I think I kind of like it less when I'm trying not to be me.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel
Looks like she's been gang raped by clowns.
like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you know that there's
You're beautiful.
still a chance for you?
I'm no good shit magnet.
You just gotta ignite.
I'm nothing.
So why do I see a glorious fucking head fuck thing?
Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth and make 'em go as you shoot across the sky.
Welcome to Bristol, Franky.